Corazón, te lo dije bien clarito. Permanece a la escucha.
How do you at the park? Okay, y'all, so I'm about to go do my nails. I'm very scared. Like, my anxiety is super big because I don't want them to come out wrong. I'm already being negative, I know, but I'm gonna go in with like hope and stuff. I'm getting a French tip, so let's hope that it looks good. So y'all come along and spend the day with me as I just pamper myself and then go run a couple errands. Yo, she came through. Look at this. The girl May, she did that. She did that. Period. So I didn't even record that much. I'm so happy about my nails, y'all. Like, I'm so happy. Thank you, babe. Thank you, universe. Thank you. Anyways, this is what I'm wearing today. I got on this off-shoulder top shirt. Well, you can wear however you want, really. So I'm wearing this with my long skirt. And then these beautiful, hold up. These really cute gemstone sandals. And the fit is giving. I love it. My goal was to finally like step into myself and really like wear clothes that I love and enjoy wearing without caring. So that's what I'm doing. This shirt, I thought, I don't know, when I got it, I was just like, oh, off shoulder top, perfect. But I forgot about the sides being open, so you can really see like my lonjas y todo. Pero we're gonna rock them. We're gonna love them. Yes, that's what we're gonna do.
These days I see a older couple. I see my homie looking like this shit that I ain't owned up to.
cute.
Describe the soccer calendar is that it never stops. You finish your whole club season, which goes from maybe August until May, and then international tournaments start. You call me Big Mac, but I can't eat burgers.
Yeah, what the fuck? I think the weather finna go crazy in Houston. That do look good. Some of these. This is where I love getting my back charms. So many cute ones. But I don't need one. So cute. It's like a balloon. I'm trying to decide whether to take this for Mello or not. I don't know if they're gonna fit. We're gonna go in now. Y'all, this is cute, but I'm looking for the little dumpling since it's more like a squishy. We have this one. It's a Zodiac head. Negative. I don't think this location's gonna have it. Okay, let's see what else they got. I know, it's okay. I need one of these, so I'm gonna get this because I'm tired of leaning down. So I'm getting this for sure. I don't know if to get this or wait till I could order some. Like the La Boo-Boos, but these are so cute too. I don't know what these are. Oh, how adorbs. I'm gonna give this a try.
Bring it. So.
Oh, but you cannot have it at the shop. Oh, wow.
Because it's an old fashioned, so you need a belt to sharpen it.
Oh, look, babe.
Got girdles.
What is girdles?
Look.
Bruh. The amount of nails. And then the lashes are right here. So I gotta show y'all what I got from the DIY. Definitely some of these. I love these kind of socks. I've been looking at some. Well, been wanting to get some. They had them here, so it's a get. And then I got one of these. I used to use this in high school, so I'm gonna just go back to the classics. And then a plum one. This is more fall, but fuck that. I'm gonna still use it. And then the rest is babes. At this goes like this and like this, y'all. My videos are gonna be so much better. Oh my god, so excited. Period. Let me set this up. I just noticed that this is also like a little adapter to keep it like a metal piece that you can stick to anything that you may need to put on here. And it's strong. It has a lot of, yeah. Let's see. Baby. And I can flip it.